Hey, my prettiest people. You are going to love this video because today we're talking about how to make him miss you without ignoring him. You don't need to act cold, ghost, or play games. There's a smarter, cuter way to stay on his mind. These little moves are soft, effective, and will have him thinking about you even when you're right there. So stay till the end because every tip is super practical, spicy, and adorable. You're going to want to use all of them. 1. Be there, then be gone. When you're with him, be fully present in the cutest way. Actually listen, laugh genuinely, and react with your whole energy. Look at him properly, respond to what he says, and make the moment feel warm and real. That kind of presence makes him feel special without you trying too hard. He starts associating you with comfort, fun, and peace all at once. It feels soft, easy, and natural, which is what makes it stick in his mind. But don't stay too long or drag the moment until it feels ordinary or boring. Leave a little early, end conversations when they're still fun, and don't over-explain it. That small, "I wanted more" feeling is what stays in his thoughts. He starts replaying your laugh, your tone, and your energy later. It's not about disappearing, it's about timing. And that timing is what makes him miss you. 2. Don't be 24/7 available. You can reply, talk, and show interest, but you don't need to be available every second of the day. You're not a notification, you have your own life, hobbies, and energy to share. When you don't reply instantly, it creates a natural pause. That pause builds curiosity without feeling rude or distant. He starts wondering what you're doing, who you're with, and why you're not always there. That curiosity slowly turns into thinking about you more often. Your time starts to feel valuable instead of constant. He notices your messages more instead of taking them for granted. And that's what naturally makes him miss you without games. 3. Say things that stay. Don't just talk to fill space, say little things that linger in his mind. It could be a teasing line, a soft compliment, or something slightly mysterious. You don't need to say a lot, just something personal and memorable. Those small lines hit deeper than long conversations. The way you say things matters as much as what you say. Your tone, your pauses, and your little laughs all stick in his memory. He replays those moments later without realizing it. That keeps you in his mind even when you're not physically there. Those tiny emotional imprints make him miss your presence naturally. 4. Have your own world. Live your life fully instead of making him your whole focus, because that's what makes you naturally attractive without trying too hard. Have your own routine, hobbies, and little adventures that don't revolve around him. That independence shows quiet confidence and self-worth. You're not waiting around, you're choosing when to show up. That energy feels soft, but powerful. He starts noticing you as someone unique, not just available. And that's what keeps him curious. When you're busy with your own life, it creates a natural space between you and him. That space is where missing actually begins. He starts wondering what you're doing and why you're not always there. That curiosity grows into thoughts about you throughout the day. Your time starts feeling more valuable. He appreciates your presence more because it feels chosen. And that's how he begins to miss you without you saying a word. 5. Be warm, not too much. Be sweet, kind, and soft with him, but don't overdo it to the point it feels constant. You don't need to send long paragraphs or constantly show extra affection. Keep your energy balanced so your warmth feels natural and meaningful. When your energy is just right, he starts noticing the moments you're soft instead of taking them for granted. That's what makes your presence feel special without overthinking it. When your energy isn't constant, it creates space for him to feel your absence. That space is what makes someone miss you naturally. If you're always giving everything, there's nothing left for him to remember later. But when you give just enough, it stays in his mind longer. He begins remembering your tone, your laugh, your little gestures. That emotional imprint grows slowly but surely, and that's how missing starts without you ignoring him. 6. Leave first. Sometimes. Don't always wait for him to end conversations. Sometimes leave first in a calm and natural way. Not suddenly or coldly, just at the perfect moment when things are still flowing. That shows quiet confidence without words. It makes your presence feel intentional instead of always available. That small shift is noticed subconsciously, and it leaves him thinking about you. When you leave first, the moment stays slightly unfinished in his mind. He starts replaying what could have come next or how the conversation might continue. That gentle mental loop keeps you alive in his thoughts. It doesn't feel forced, it just feels incomplete in the cutest way. That subtle tension makes him want to come back to you. And that's how you make him miss you without ignoring him at all. 7. Be unforgettable in small ways. It's not the big things that make him miss you, it's the small random things you do. The way you laugh at something silly, react in a cute way, or say something unexpected. Those tiny moments become your signature without even realizing it. He starts associating these details only with you. That's what makes you feel different from everyone else. And that difference sticks in his mind. Later, something random reminds him of you, and suddenly you're back in his thoughts. Could be a joke, a word, or a habit you have. That's how emotional memory works, quietly but powerfully. You don't need to try too hard, just be authentic in those moments. That natural energy feels genuine, and genuine moments are the ones people miss the most. That's what makes you unforgettable without effort. You don't need to ignore him to make him miss you. All it takes is presence, timing, and soft energy that he can't replace. If you love this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which tip are you going to try first to make him miss you?